Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Khalida Khanam and I welcome you to my channel. This is the part second of English chapter number 1 of class 10th, that is a wrong man in a worker's paradise. So in our last class we have learned up to para 3. In this video we will learn from para 4 to para 7. Para number 4, but the moving finger writes even in heaven. So here moving finger means destiny or fate. So destiny can be also changed in heaven. So that came to pass that the aerial messenger who took a charge of a man. So here aerial messenger means the one who submits the messages through air. Okay. So the destiny came to pass. Here pass refers to a retire. Okay. So that came to retire the aerial messenger who took a charge of a man. Okay. So which man was lazy on earth? He visited to heaven, right? So this aerial messenger took a charge of a man. Okay. So taking a charge means commanding someone. So when the aerial messenger commanded that lazy man, here he did a mistake according to them, and destiny came to retire that aerial messenger. Okay. And this man was found in a place in workers' paradise. In this paradise, you find everything except leisure. So, the poet is trying to tell that there is everything in the heaven except the leisure. Here, leisure means holiday. Okay. There is everything in the heaven except the holiday. Okay. Para number 6. Here, men say, God, we have not a moment to spare. So here all men in the heaven are saying to God that we don't have enough time to waste. Okay, here women whisper. So whisper means talking slowly to each other. Okay, these women are whispering that let's move on, time is a flying. So all these women also saying the same thing that we don't have a time because time does not stop. All exclaim. Here exclaim means shout. Okay. Time is precious. Time is precious. All are shouting like that. Okay. We have our hands full. We make use of every single minute. So these members in heaven are sigh complainingly, means they are complaining to the God that we don't have enough time to waste. We do the every minute useful. Okay. And yet those words make them happy and exalted. So by saying all these things, they feel happy and also great or feel proud. Exalted means feeling proud. Okay. So when these all men and women tell to God that we don't have enough time to waste, they feel proud. Okay. Next, para number 7. But this newcomer, who had passed all his life on earth without doing a scrap of useful work, did not fit in with the scheme of things in work's paradise. So, this man who had wasted all his life on earth with useless work, so he did not fit with this scheme, because here all men and women are busy in their work and even they did not waste there a single minute, but he has wasted all his life and did not realize, then he felt all this useless. Next, he lounged in the streets absently and jostled the hurrying man. Here lounge means making fun. Okay, so he made the fun in the absently street, means there was a very silent street and there he was making fun, and jostle the hurrying man. Jostle means pushing forcibly. Okay, so he was pushing the hurrying man with force. He lay down in the green meadows or close to the fast flowing stream. So, first he was walking on the absent street and also pushing the hurrying man. But now he lay down in the green meadows and also go close to the fast flowing streams. Stream means fast moving water. Next, and was taken to task by a busy farmer. So the busy farmers hired him for the work. Okay, now he was always in the way of others. He was very different from others.